Hey guys, it's Sunday and I'm heading downtown again. Because as I showed you yesterday, I am busy reviving my eeepc, that little laptop, and it just typically has too little memory. But luckily a memory nowadays costs very little. So I considered and I'm going to upgrade it. So I got here the specification sheet for the eeepc. 2 gigabytes of memory. And yeah, that will be good, I guess. It now has 1 gigabyte and that's just too little. It's constantly swapping the data to the hard drive. Well, the flash drive that's in it, but it's a very slow flash drive because it's old. And yeah, basically one of the first commercially available, widely available flash drives. Yeah, basically that means it's slow. But anyway, still going to upgrade the internal memory so it doesn't need to swap too much data to the flash memory anymore, to the flash drive. And yeah, that should make it increasingly faster in general usage. So I can just disable swapping entirely. So yeah, that's the plan. And I'm heading out to town to get the memory. So why don't you come along?
SDV.
Langs alleen maar telt, maar zo hoef je een paar cent doen.
I never thought I'd be able to not.
Alright, mission success. Returning to HQ. Hey! Alright, so here's the EPC. And carefully hidden below this flap is the memory slot. I already took the old memory out. So all I need to do now is put the new memory in there. And I should be able to go again. Alright guys, so here goes nothing. Did we get to see it? It was very short. Alright, looks like I'm all set. 2 gigabytes. Here we go. And now for the €23 question. Has the EPC become any faster? Well, the answer is yes and no. Well, somewhat. The startup is slightly better, and yeah, for the rest the overall usage has become faster. But at the startup, where it needs to load much data from the flash drive anyway, it didn't improve all that much. But overall it's still an improvement, and it takes up 1 gigabyte less of flash drive space, because I could decrease that from the swap, or basically the swap was 1 gigabyte, so I completely turned it off now. So yeah, no more swapping to flash drives. Hiya, Chibi. Oh, really? Really? Yes, that's the EPC. Yeah. Afternoon is progressing quite nicely. Well guys, that's it for today. Time to end today's vlog. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow. Oh, but by the way, stay tuned for the omake. If you don't know what an omake is, just stay tuned till after the credits. Hey, cheers. Hey guys, you in my fridge? You know, it's chilly out tonight. And here's some Coca-Cola for you. So enjoy. I'll leave it in the door. Okay? Hey, see you later.